Dr. William Cross was a man of science, a physicist specializing in quantum mechanics. His fascination with the backrooms began as a mere curiosity, a shared interest with his colleagues. But as his obsession grew, so did his determination to delve deeper into the void. It was a chance discovery that led him to level 78. The station appeared as an enigma, floating in the abyss of space. Dr. Cross was drawn to it, compelled by the mystery it promised. He had never experienced a place quite like it, and the lack of gravity only added to the surreal nature of the environment. As he drifted through the corridors, he noticed the remnants of what seemed like a bustling research facility, now abandoned and decaying. Cross soon realized that this was no ordinary space station. The walls were adorned with level 0 wallpaper, a haunting reminder of where he had come from. Each room held its own secrets, from hydroponic gardens that had long since withered away to the space lavatories that seemed to exist in a state of perpetual disrepair. It was as if the station itself was a living, breathing organism, its systems slowly breaking down. Despite the desolation, Cross found himself drawn to the portholes that lined the ceilings and floors. Through them, he could see the vast expanse of space, dotted with stars of varying sizes and colors. It was mesmerizing, and he couldn't help but feel a sense of longing as he gazed out into the void. But the beauty of the stars belied the danger that lurked within them. As Cross stared into the depths, he began to hear a faint, melodic singing. It was alluring, almost hypnotic, and he felt a compulsion to follow it. He drifted towards the portholes, his mind clouded by the siren call of the stars. It was then that he saw them, wretches, floating in the vacuum of space, their bodies twisted and contorted by the void. They were drawn to the portholes, their eyes fixed on the stars as they reached out with skeletal hands. Cross realized with horror that they were the remnants of those who had succumbed to the call of the stars, their bodies transformed by the emptiness that surrounded them. Cross knew he had to escape, to find a way back to the safety of the backrooms. But the station seemed to have other plans for him. As he drifted through the corridors, he encountered clumps and dullers, their presence a constant reminder of the danger he was in. He fought through them, his mind focused on one thing, finding an exit. It was then that he stumbled upon an airlock, its porthole displaying a street in level 11. Without hesitation, he entered the airlock, the door sealing shut behind him. As he stepped out into the familiar surroundings of level 11, he felt a sense of relief wash over him. But as he looked up at the stars, he couldn't shake the feeling that they were still calling to him. He knew that he had narrowly escaped the void, but he couldn't help but wonder what other horrors lay within its depths. And as he walked away, he couldn't help but feel a sense of loss, as if a part of him had been left behind in the emptiness of level 78.